orphans and widows. So widows are words that are by themselves beneath a paragraph, and orphans is the opposite, one word by itself above paragraph. So yes, we do have to fix that. We do have to balance our text flow as well and fix all those unnatural breaks and hyphens. So what I'm going to do is first, I can already see a few hyphens. So that is basically a no-no in design or typography. So first thing I'm going to do is take my type tool, make sure I'm clicked into my text box. So it's flashing the cursor. I'm going to highlight all my text, Command A, and then I need to turn off the hyphenate. So going back into my control panel, this time I'm make sure that I'm in the paragraph. And near the right side, we have a hyphenate. So uncheck that, that's first. So I fixed all of that. Next, do I see any widows? Yes, I do. I see quite a few of them. So how to fix these? What you need to do is take your type tool and select the last two words of a paragraph, just the last two words. Then what I need to do is I could bring out, so right now I could see all of my character panel up here and my paragraph panel up here, but I need to bring out the actual panel. So if I go into Window and I look for Type and Tables, here I can bring out the character panel, okay? And the paragraph panel if I wanted those panels right out here. So if I click on that, now I can see this panel here. I can bring it over. Here I can change my text as well and my font sizes and all of that. However, I want to fix this widow, okay? So in the character panel on the top right of the menu, there is this, it looks like more options here. If I click here, look for no break, and that will fix the problem. So I will actually have to go through, if I see quite a few, then click on the last two or select the last two words, and then I would go to no break. Okay, so that's how you fix those issues. Only a word sitting by itself underneath a paragraph. These ones look okay to me. And that was basically it. So there was only two instances where that was an issue. This text is flowing to the other page. So I do see one widow down here and one widow down here. So I'm going to fix these two just to show you again. So now I'm going to highlight it and go into the options, no break. Same thing with these two words here, highlight it and no break. Now, another thing I want to show you, I'm going to go to the top of my document. And again, I can maneuver my page holding down the space bar. If I click and highlight only the A here in this paragraph, I have the option to add a couple things. Okay, so I can click into this area here. If I hover over, I can see that this is my drop cap. So if I want to add a drop cap, I can click on to this arrow up. And as you can see, there is my A drop cap. I obviously have more options where I could, gives me in the paragraph panel, I could add more spacing, but it won't make sense because if I click on this, this is what it does. It gives more spacing, more indents. Same thing with here, it'll indent the first line only, which I don't need to do here. Okay, and the same thing on the other side, it will indent and indent.